Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to do the step by step for how to download and install the NetBeans IDE. Before download and install NetBeans IDE, you must download the Java. When you go into Java downloads, you can go to type Java JDK downloads. Okay. So here, what you're going to do is you can select it. The standable version, so I am going to standable version Java 17. You can download Java 25 as well, so I am downloading Java 17. So here you can select the version appropriate your operating system. If you go for Windows, click on Windows, you have to click on it, this one, exe file. Okay, if you click download, it has been downloaded. After that you have to click next and you can straightforward you can install it. After install them, you can check on it whether your Java is successfully installed your machine. You can go to the CMD Java C. If it is installed, you can see this kind of message. Okay, right. After that, you can go and download the NetBeans ID. Go to the respective website to download the NetBeans ID. Okay, so I'm going to download the NetBeans ID for using the respective website. So I'm going to go over here, NetBeans downloads, click on it. So the current version will be 27. I'm going to download the oldest one, which is a 25. So click download. The download has been started. Okay, if you click on it, it's going to here. Okay, so you have to click on it, this one, 64-bit. If you click on it, after download it, the download icon will be shown like this. Double click on it. After that, what you are going to do, click yes to confirm the Windows authentication. So it starts installing. Okay. If you are not installed JDK, it won't install it. You must install the JDK before you have downloaded and installed the NetBeans. Okay, click on it, accept the user license, next, install. Now installation has been completed. After I click finished, you can type NetBeans. Click on it. You can see the NetBeans is starting. This is how we have installed the NetBeans ID. We have opened it. Okay, you have to, when you install the NetBeans ID, you must install Java. Otherwise, you cannot install it, because if you are a Java developer, that is must. Okay. Thank you for watching.